In a previous blog, I wrote about some changes seen in the techniques, tactics, and procedures in domain registration for a threat actor named Chenlun. I specifically discussed how using regular expression queries or RegEx queries are helpful in discovering domains created by their domain generation algorithm, or DGA. Today, I'm going to discuss how one can schedule the RegEx queries to run in Splunk as a next logical step in automating the discovery of Chenlun-related domains. This will be one example of how you might use domain tools in Splunk to automate domain discovery. However, you can imagine how this could be useful for other use cases as well. I begin within the Domain Tools app, where I've grabbed one of the RegEx queries and executed the query. So here's the RegEx query, and then here are the results. This is looking at the last 24 hours, and we're just looking at A records. So those are the results. And then if I want to open this up in search, I can simply click as I hover over this open in search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. And that'll open it up in search for me. A really nice feature in Splunk is the ability to save a search as a report. Once it is saved as a report, then I will be able to schedule the search to run at a regular interval. So in order to save it, you're going to come up here and click on Save As, and then you're going to say Report, and you're going to want to give it a title. And I found it really useful to put the actual RegEx query in the description, just so if anybody looks at it, they know what the RegEx query was. And then when I click Save, this is going to take you to this page here where you have a couple options in terms of what you would do next, and we're going to schedule it. So that'll help it to run on a regular interval. And you can see Schedule Report here. And now you have a couple of presets, but I'm going to run on a cron schedule. And I'm going to do that because I'm basically trying to simulate a global company that would have people operating at different hours within the SOC. And so I'm going to do it on an every 8-hour basis. Another thing that is really nice with scheduling an actual report to run is you can add a trigger action. So there are a couple different options here, like creating a notable event based off of this running. You can output the results to lookup. You could run a playbook in SOAR. Maybe you want to enrich domains from this report with more data. I'm going to choose to send an email. And so in this email, I can choose the recipients that I want to send it to, and then I can also include a message or any priority. I'm also going to attach a CSV, and I'm going to not allow empty attachment, so to prevent an email from sending that has nothing. But once I attach that CSV, now all email recipients will get a CSV report of all those domains that are matching my RegEx query on an 8-hour interval, and I'm going to click Save. And then if we go back, what you'll see in that CSV is something that looks very similar to this table. And now that the automation is complete, this will help my team stay ahead of Chenlun as they spin up new domains and optimize the resources I have to prevent a reliance on manual discovery. Thank you for watching. Good luck.